Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kick the Problem. I'm your one and only Shivam back again with a new video on a string. Today we are going to solve a problem in which we are going to find first non-repeating character in a given string. So guys, if you are new to our channel, please do like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload our new video. So guys, let's see the solution of this problem. So guys, I have taken one example. You can see a string. It doesn't make any sense, but simply I have written a string like AAGCDEFCCB. Here are different characters. Some are repeating and some are non-repeating. You can see here A is repeating once again, D is not repeating, C is repeating two times, D is not repeating, E is not repeating, F is not repeating, and P is not repeating. So guys, starting from left side, we have to check which is the first non-repeating character. We can see A already has repeating. This A is also same thing. But if we see to G, it is the first element that is non-repeating in this given string. So what you can do is you can simply use a hash mapping technique. Uh, by using a for loop, you insert all the characters as well as frequency of each character in hash map. Like at the starting, hash map is empty and it will check A is present in this hash map or not. It is not present, so at the starting there's our hash map is empty, so it will insert A and it will become frequency will become 1, and then after it will come to second index, and again it will check A. If A is already present, that's fine. If not present, then it will add, but here A is already present, so it will only increase the frequency. Now it will go to G. G is present or not. Initially only A is present, G is not present, so it will add G and its frequency. Same way it will go traverse for each element in the given string, and it will record all the characters and its frequency. Then I will use of another for loop, and I will traverse this string again. What I will do is, first of all, I will check at index A. I will check that in the given hash map, what is the count of, what is the frequency of A. If it is uh, equals to 1, then I will return that, because if it is present once only in the given string, then it is non-repetitive. I will check A is present 2 times, so I am not gonna take this. Now we will come to second index. Again we will check A is present 2 times, I am not gonna take this. Again I will check for G. G is present over here only once. I have to check the first element that contains frequency 1. So I will just return G as our output, that we require our first non-repeating character. So guys, for this I have written code over here. In this code, what I have done is I have simply initialized one hash map. You can see over here, it is storing character and integer, and I have simply initialized one variable length of string. For using a for loop, we should know the size of our string, so I am using dot length function and storing in a variable length of string. And then after I am running a for loop, I said first for loop I am using to insert all the character and its frequency in the hash map. So in first for loop, what I have done is I have simply initialized one variable current character. Like starting from first element, I will store first A over there. I will store A in current character, and then after I will check that A is present in that hash map or not. If it's not present, then I will add like hash map dot put, means we will add that character, current character, in the hash map, and we'll make its frequency as 1. And if it's already present over then what we'll do, we are not going to do go in this if loop. We'll come over here, and what we'll do, we have initialized one variable current frequency, and like here we are considering for the element that is already present. So first of all, we have to pick that element like frequency. Initially, let us suppose A is present over here. A, for first element it added A and its frequency 1. When it came over here, we have to keep A as it is. We are not going to add anything, just we have to change its frequency. So what we'll do, First of all, I will store 1 in current frequency, and then after I will increment that current frequency by 1, it will become 2, and then after again we will return that in our hash map. We can see again we have changed hash map dot put equal to current character, that is a, and current frequency, it will become 2. Now in this way, for all elements it will run, all elements it will run in our string, and it will add all the characters in the hash map with its frequency. After that, what I said, I will run another for loop to take the frequency of first element, that is 1. What I will do, I have initialized one variable current character, and I will take one by one element from our string, and I will check. I will like first of all I have take first element and stored in current character, and I will pick the frequency of that element. Like we'll initialize one variable current frequency, and we'll store that frequency in current character, and thereafter we'll check that frequency is equals to 1 or not. At the starting, for this element we'll get 2, and thereafter for this element we'll again get 2, and for this element we'll get 1. At this time we have to return this. So when we will get 1, we have to return this current character. In question it is said to return this G, so that's why I have written current character. And if we are not going to get any repeated non-repeated elements, like all the elements in our string is repeated only, so in that case we are just returning dollar, that it is said in question only. Like if we are not going to get any repeated element, so we have to return this. The time complexity of this approach is order of n, because we are using a for loop for all the, like we are using 2 for loops for all the elements present in the given string. And space complexity is order of number of distinct character. I haven't written here order of n because like we are declaring hash map. For a string it contains lots of element, but in hash map we are going to store all the elements, but like we can see A is over here 2 times, but we are storing only 1 time. B is over here once only, C is over here 3 times, per year we are storing once only. So that's why I have written here order of number of distinct characters, like each character we are going to store once only. So guys, this is our code. Let's compile it. You can see it is running for sample case, that test case, that is here hello, and its output is H. Then we are getting. Let's submit our code. So guys, you can see our code is successfully submitted. If you like our video, please do like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In future I'll be uploading many these kinds of video related to DSNL code. Till then, keep enjoying, keep watching, kick the problem. Bye bye.